Hello there. So today I'm going to talk about non-anesthetic dental cleanings. This is something that I've seen more and more in the past couple of years with the general public, some of them kind of pushing back on the price of dental cleanings and some others pushing back on not wanting to do anesthesia for their pets or thinking that anesthesia is dangerous. So non-anesthetic dental cleanings are where the surface of the tooth is cleaned with the animal awake. Obviously, only a certain subset of pets is going to be able to do this type of procedure because there's some animals that there's no way they're going to be able to sit for something like this. Now, the reason that I don't recommend them, one, non-anesthetic dental cleanings are typically more for the client than they are for the patient. So when we do these, you're cleaning the surface of the tooth, the enamel, the white part. You're not cleaning anything subgingival, which is where the bacteria is that actually causes disease. So there's not a whole lot of health benefit to doing that, like there is with an anesthetic where you can get underneath the gum line. So that's kind of issue number one. Issue number two is if you find any teeth that have abscesses or gingival recession or all of that, you can't really measure it because it's super painful to probe when they're awake. Number three, you can't remove any teeth. I have never seen an animal that would allow us to extract a tooth while they're awake unless it was just a dangling and ready to come out anyway. Four, I have actually seen some things that went horribly wrong with non-anesthetic dental cleanings. So I have seen an animal before that got aspiration pneumonia from one of these and died. I have seen one that got sepsis from one of these and died. I have seen multiple that have gotten rhabdomyolysis, which is a breakdown of muscle tissue from a non-anesthetic dental cleaning. They can end up getting kidney disease and potentially kidney failure. So I know it makes a lot of people feel better to do this, and it makes them feel like they're making a big difference to their pet, but non-anesthetic dental cleanings are for us, not for them. They don't do a lot to benefit the health of an animal, unfortunately. If you have concerns about anesthesia or the price or whatnot, talk to your vet, see if they can come up with something, see if they can discuss an anesthetic plan with you and explain why they're using certain drugs or why they're doing certain things. A lot of clinics, if you request it, they will show you their dental suite or they will show you their anesthesia machine so that they can say, well, we're using this type of monitoring equipment. We're going to be looking for this. It doesn't hurt to ask questions or to ask for clarification. I have also seen a lot of non-veterinarians offering non-anesthetic dental cleanings. You need to be very careful with something like this because if something happens, like I said, aspiration pneumonia, sepsis, something like that, you are going to want a medical professional and a doctor trying to fix those problems, not a non-doctor working with stuff like that. Those are very serious issues. So, as I said, not really something that I recommend, non-anesthetics at all. I've seen too many patients that get 3 or 4 non-anesthetic dental cleanings, then they eventually come in for a full dental and end up having to get all of their teeth extracted because they're damaged or they have disease under the gum line, and that's just unnecessary pain for a patient.